why Lin Shidong has improved so fast.
The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
The Chinese national coach has explained a specific reason for Lin Shidong has improved so fast. You will learn something. Watch till the end.
I asked Lin Shidong, are you doing multi-ball training this afternoon? Lin Shidong held up one finger. I asked, just one bucket. He trained continuously for an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, his brain was no longer controlling his muscles. He was just mechanically hitting the ball. And he was still landing his shots. Yan'an's training is skill-based. He has never been pushed to his absolute extreme limit, just good enough. In the end, I realized I had failed in my coaching. I never expected Yan'an to reach this level. It exceeded my expectations. At first, we just wanted Yan'an to train his body to improve fitness, but he turned out to have real talent. Truly talented. It showed a flaw in our coaching system. What was it? At that time, we didn't have top-level athletes. In the end, Yan'an was just compared to Lin Shidong. That day, I met Lin Shidong said something to me. Are you doing multi-ball training this afternoon? How many buckets of Lin Shidong held up one finger. I asked, just one bucket. He trained continuously for an hour and a half. No breaks. I was stunned. There were ball pickers beside him. Yan'an has never undergone this kind of training. Was skill-based. Just enough to improve. Just following instructions. Never pushing to the extreme. I used to say, 1 hour of good practice is enough. A full hour of quality training is doable. An hour and a half, not so much. All top athletes train like Lin Shidong. From morning to night, multi-ball non-stop for an hour and a half straight. That's their mental and physical endurance. Now, I finally understand. Why can he persist? After playing for an hour and a half, the brain no longer controls the muscles. He just keeps hitting mechanically. Yet, he can still perform on stage. He trains to the point that 10 to 10 in a match, his brain no longer controls him. Is already out of control. His physical condition reaches a point where nerve regulation ceases. But when we trained Yan'an, we didn't consider this. I was too kind. Too much of a pure technical coach. I never instilled the mindset of destruction. To reach Lin Shidong's level, the national team is all about destroying one's will. Just 2 words. Are not ordinary people. In fact, many people have the potential to become Olympic champions. They can't reach the peak.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.